Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have sudo access and enough disk space, so start now. First, lock writes briefly by notifying staff, then drop into the shell. Export the Koha database using miscldump for each database, directing output to a timestamped SQL, GZ file. At the same time, tar up /etc/Koha and the Koha home directory to capture plugins and templates. Once done, verify file sizes and permissions. Make sure the backup owner is correct, so automated scripts can access it later. Now focus on robust archives. Use miscldump with single transaction to avoid long locks and gzip the output to save space. Next, create compressed tarballs of /etc/Koha and attachments. This ensures you can restore both schema and file assets. After local creation, transfer backups to the remote host with rsync avs to maintain timestamps and permissions. Make sure transfers complete and check exit codes. If you automate, test the cron job manually once to confirm paths and environment variables. To finish, verify integrity. Compare MD5 sums and optionally dry run a restore to a test database to confirm SQL imports cleanly. Rotate old backups according to your retention policy. Retain at least 3 copies, including offsite storage. Update backup logs with file names, sizes, and checksums so you can troubleshoot later. If something goes wrong, inspect disk space, file permissions, and MySQL logs. Then rerun the dump with single transaction and increase verbosity to capture errors. Finally, notify staff that normal service can resume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.